Good morning, class 11 students. We have discussed the theory of probability. Okay, the whole theory all together I have discussed with you. I have given you a PDF also which contains the whole theory of the probability, and then we discussed in a video the whole theory also. Okay, from this video we will discuss the questions of probability. You have received a PDF named as Probability Questions PDF. Class 11 Probability Questions PDF. Open that PDF. Now why I have made the PDF? Because since probability question I cannot write on the board all together. Okay, that's why I've given the PDF just reference of the questions. From there the questions I will be doing on the board. All the questions I will not be solving. Few questions I am solving on the board. The rest, your job is to at least complete all the questions of the PDF. All the questions. Okay, then only you will say you can analyze yourself. Yes, you understand the chapter or not. Okay, so let's start with the first question. That is page number 1. Example 9. Okay, the first question. From a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, a card is drawn at random. So it is a deck. We have 52 cards. एक card निकाल रहे. That is given to you. One card is drawn. Find the probability that the card drawn is a red or a king. So since one card is drawn, that is number of sample spaces 52. If it is more than one, then you have to go for combinations, right? Now in this first topic is what? Red and a king. So if I say E1 is the event of a red card and E2 is the event of a king, then what is E1 intersection E2 and event of a red and king? That means it should be a red also as well as it should be a king. So what is probability of E1 intersection E2? So we can directly calculate n of E1 intersection E2 by n of S. So how many cards are there? E1 intersection E2, which are red also and king also. So we have one red card of diamond. So we have one king of diamond and we have one king of heart. So diamond and heart. That means there are two kings of red card. Total 52. That is how much? 2 to the 4, 2 to 6. 1 by 26 is the answer. Okay. Now what's the second question? Either red or a king. या तो red हो सकता है या तो king हो सकता है. That means we need E1 union E2. Okay. So we need E1 union E2. All लिखा है ना? Event of a red or king. All लिखा है. So when I say red and king, that means the card should be red also as well as king also. That means one diamond king, one heart king. They are red and king. But now they are talking about what? It can be king or it can be. So basic formula is what? Probability of E1 union E2 is n of E1 union E2 by n of S. अब तुम्हें देखना है कि कितने रेड कार्ड है और कितने किंग है. So total red card is how much? 26. 13 for diamond, 13 for diamond and 13 for heart. हो गया. And how many total kings we have? 4. But out of 4, 2 kings I have already taken here. Rest 1 king of spade and 1 king of club divided by 52. Okay, that means 28 by 52. So what is the answer you will get? 7 by 13. I hope you understand, class. Let's go for the next one. So we have started with the basic question. Okay, class, one more thing I want to discuss. Someone may say that, so we can use this formula also. Probability of E1 union E2 we need to calculate. So we can use this formula also. Probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus probability of E1 intersection E2. Yes, we can use it. But why I am directly going for this formula? Because I can calculate the total number. Okay, we can use this formula also. Probability of E1. What was E1? Red card. So 26 by 52 plus probability E2. What is E2? King card. That total 4 cards divided by 52 minus what is E1 intersection E2? That is red and a king. That is 2 by 52. If you solve this also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so what I am trying to say is that we can do the same question this way also. We can do the same question this way also. Okay, class. Now we can go for the next one. Okay, now we go to page number 3, example 4. 3 dice are drawn together, 3 dice are thrown, एक साथ 3 dice को throw किया, तो what is number of sample space? Number of face by number of throws, that is 216. Okay, now what they saying, find the probability of getting a total of at least 6. मैं ये क्वेश्चन क्यों कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि मैंने थ्योरी में जो पढ़ाया है वो है 2 dice का, like this. Okay, when there are 2 dice are thrown, how the sample space look like? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. But now we have 3 dice together. Then how to make the sample space? Now listen very carefully. 1, 1, then you make the pace with 6. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. That means these two will be fixed. 1, 1 is 6. Then make pay with 6. 1, 1, 4 and 1, 1, 5, 1, 1, 6 like this. Now 1, 1 हो गया, अब 1, 2 चले जाओ. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are lots of sample spaces will be covered. Okay, that's why they are 216. All those things we cannot write. So I hope you understand how to make the pairs. दो डाइस फेंकेंगे तो पेयर्स बनाना बड़ा इजी था. 3 फेंकेंगे तो you understand how to make it. Now what the question say? Find the probability of getting a total of at least 6. कम से कम 6 होना चाहिए, मतलब 6 से ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, राइट? 6 से ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. तो अगर 6 से अगर ज्यादा नंबर का मैं सर्च करूं तो बहुत सारे ऑप्शन आ जाएंगे. 3 + 1 + 4 + 1 5, 4 + 1 5 + 1 6. 6 ये हो गया, ये 6 से बड़ा हो गया, ये 6 से बड़ा हो गया, ऐसे करके सारे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस आएंगे. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? आई कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट ऑन माय ओन. तो मैं क्वेश्चन क्यों कर रहा हूं? जस्ट टू से यू दैट जो क्वेश्चन हमें पूछा गया था, थिंग व्हिच आई आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन, ई इज द इवेंट of getting a total of at least 6. If I go for this condition, at least 6, it becomes very tough because there are lots of options to be getting where you will get at least 6. Do you understand this? मतलब 6, at least 6 हो सकता है, 6 से बड़ा हो सकता है. तो 6 से बड़ा यहीं से स्टार्ट हो गया. देखो 6 से बड़ा 1, 2, 3, फिर यहां से क्या हो जाएगा 24, यहां से स्टार्ट हो गया. So there are so many options you will get, at least 6. So all those things we cannot write. So what we will do, we will find the E complement first. Event, the sum is less than 6. Not at least 6. At least 6 से कम है. Clear? So why you need to understand that why I have to go in this way. Why we cannot do it directly. Why I have to go for complementary part. Because if we do it directly, there are lots of options to be available, and that is impossible to write it down here because there are 216. All those things is not possible to write it down here. Clear? So we will go for the complement part. So why we are going for the complement part? Because there are lots of options available. So whenever you're dealing with any question where the question which is asked in the book, the part which is asked in the question. If you try to go for that part, there are lots of options are available, lots of cases are available. So you go for the complementary part. Okay, this is the main basics. So even the sum is less than 6. Now check out, sum less than 6 कब तक आएगा? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3 + 4 + 5, 1, 1, 3. अब 1, 1, 4 चला जाऊंगा तो 6 हो जाएगा, बट 6 से छोटा चाहिए. सो 1 से हो गया. 1, 1 इज डन. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 नहीं जा सकता बिकॉज 1, 4 बिकम 6. तो 1, 1 से हो गया. नाउ कम्स टू 1, 2. ओके, नाउ 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, देन 1, 2, 2 करूंगा तो हो जाएगा 2 + 2 4 + 5. हाँ होगा. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3 करूंगा तो नहीं होगा बिकॉज इट इज एक्सटीडिंग द 6, इज कमिंग टू द 6. 1, 2, 4 4 प्लस 2 6 आ गया, लेकिन 1,2,3 करेंगे तो तब भी 6 आ जाएगा, तो फॉरगेट अबाउट इट। सो 1,1 से 1 2 3 आया, 1,2 से 1 2 आया, अब 1,3 जाते हैं, चलो 1,3, 1 5 आएगा, 1,3, 3 प्लस 4 प्लस 5, 1,3, 2 जा सकते हैं, नहीं होगा, 1,3, 2 जाऊंगा, सो इट बिकम 6। क्लियर क्लास? अब चलो 1,3, यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से यू, 1,3, 1 जाऊंगा तो नहीं होगा, ठीक है, 1,3, 1 जाऊंगा तो होगा, 1,3, 2 जाऊंगा तो नहीं होगा, 1,4, 1 नहीं होगा, 1,4, 1 6 हो गया, अब कोई भी नहीं होगा, तो 1 से जॉब डन। नाउ 2 से स्टार्ट करते हैं, यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी गोइंग टू इट? ओके, नाउ 2, 1, 1 होगा, 2 प्लस 1 3 प्लस 1 4, ओके 2, 1, अब 2, 1 आ रहा है, 2, 1 होगा, 2, 1, 2 होगा, 2 to the 4, हाँ, प्लस 1 5 होगा, 2, 1, 3 नहीं होगा, ओके 6 हो जा रहा है, 2, 1, 3 बिकमिंग 6, ओके, तो 2, 1 से हो गया। नाउ यू गो फॉर 2, 2, 2, 1 होगा, 2, 1 तो 2%, लेकिन 2, 2 होगा, नॉट पॉसिबल, बढ़ जा रहा है, सो 2 से हो गया, उसके बाद सारा बढ़ जाएगा ना, 2, 2, 1, 2, बढ़ गया, 2, 3, 5, 1 6, 2, 3, 1 6 हो गया, नहीं होगा, सो 2 से हो गया, 3 से 7, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3 प्लस 1 प्लस 5 हो गया, अब 3, 1, 2 होगा, नहीं होगा, 3, 1, 2 6 हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा, क्लियर? बिकॉज वी नीड नंबर लेस देन 6, ओके, सो 3 से खत्म, 4 से 4, 1, पॉसिबल नहीं है, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में ही 6 is coming, 4, 1 5 plus 1 5, so these are the maximum number of outcomes where the number is less than 6. So what is n of e complement? कितना आ रहा है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, there are 10 we are getting, okay, so therefore what is probability of e complement? N of e complement divided by n of s, that is 10 by 216, but this is what probability of getting sum less than 6. Therefore, what is the probability of getting sum at least 6? 1 minus probability of e complement, that is 1 minus 10 by 216. So how much you will get? 103 by 108 is the answer. Okay, class. So I hope you will face some difficulties in making these pairs. So repeat the video again and try to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, class. The next question is, go to page number 5. Question number 17. Example 17. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the odds in favor of getting a face card and odds against getting a spade. तो पता नहीं तुम्हें याद है कि नहीं, odd in favor of event, any event, is probability of that event by probability of that event not happening. Okay, and odd against of any event is what? Against it, the probability of event not happening by probability of that event happening. So we will use this funda to do this question. तो मुझे किसका ऑड पूछा है, देखो तो, व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ सैंपल स्पेस? 52. सो हुज ऑड वी नीड? ऑड्स इन फेवर ऑफ अ फेस कार्ड. ओके, सो वेट फॉर सम टाइम क्लास. हेलो. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग इट एज E. Okay, odds in favor of E is probability of E by probability of E complement. This we know. Now what is E here? Event of getting a face card. Event of getting a face card. बस खत्म. यही कॉन्सेप्ट था, क्योंकि बुक में दिया है odds in favor of a face card निकालना है, लेकिन मुझे odds in favor of a event पता था. Event क्या है? Getting a face card. तो हो गया. तो what is probability of E? How many face cards we have? Each set has 3 face cards. king, queen, jack. Right? So there are 12 face cards divided by 52 cards because only one card is drawn. Do you understand? So they have 12 face cards. Now again in the solution they have taken 16 face cards. Okay. Ace, king, queen, jack. Out of this, these three are taken as face cards. Okay. And these four are called as honor cards. Okay. These things have been discussed earlier. So there are king, queen, jack, 3 cards. And there are 4 sets. King, queen, jack of spade, club, heart, diamond. So there are 12. So 12 and 52. Then what is solve it? 2 6 are 12. 2 2 are 4. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Then again it will go 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2. 2 3 is 6. That is 3 by 13. So what is probability of E complement? 1 minus probability of E. That is 1 minus 3 by 13. That is 10 by 13. Therefore, what is odd in favor of E? क्या हो जाएगा? 3 by 13 divided by 10 by 13. That is how much? 3 by 10. Okay, 3 by 10. The answer book से match नहीं करेगा class. Now, what the next case? Next case we need to find the odds. We need to find odds against of E. Odd against of an event is what? ऊपर में not happening, नीचे happening. Against बोला है. That is probability of not happening that event by happening of event. But here what is E? Getting a spade. So event of getting a spade. So what is probability of E? Getting a spade. How many spade we have total? 13 by 52. बड़े आराम से आ जाएगा ये. That is 1 by 4. Clear? So what is probability of E complement? 3 by 4. हो गया. So odd against E क्या हो जाएगा? 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. How much it is? 3 by 1 is the odds. So I hope you understand how to go for these things, class. Okay, class. Now go to page number 6. We have an exercise 31A. Exercise 31A. This exercise under this. That is which question we'll do? 8. Question number 8. It's not example number. It's a question number 8. Okay. Now, if there are 2 children in a family, find the probability that there is at least one boy in the family. Okay. There are 2 children in a family. So first of all, you have to understand how many possibilities are there for there are 2 children. Sample space. How many possibilities? Both are boys. Elder child is boy. Younger child is girl. Elder child is girl. Younger child is boy. And both are girls. These are the 4 possibilities that the family can have. When the family have 2 children, either elder is also a boy, younger is also a boy, elder is a boy, younger is a girl, elder is a girl, younger is a boy, or elder and younger both are girls. These are the possibilities. Okay. Now out of these possibilities, which probability we need to find? There is at least one boy in the family. But कम से कम एक लड़का होना चाहिए. So E, event at least one boy. So what is the event of at least one boy? That means both are boys, or this or this. So what is the probability of E? Can I say 3 by 4? You understood, class? Okay. Is it okay? Question number 8. Let me check out the answer. Yes. Done? Understood? Okay. Now, you go to page number 7. Okay. Page number 7. Under the same exercise, we'll go for question number 23. See what the question is saying. A combination lock on a suitcase has 3 wheels. याद है सूटकेस में कैसे होता है? ऐसे करके होता है ना, 3 व्हील्स होता है ना, ऐसे करके 3 व्हील्स होता है जो कि घूमता है सूटकेस में, और फिर इसको घुमा के सूटकेस को हम ओपन करते हैं. ऐसे 3 व्हील्स के लॉक है. ठीक है. ईच लेवल विथ 9 डिजिट्स फ्रॉम 1 to 9. यहां से 1 to 9 है, यहां भी 1 to 9 है, यहां भी 1 to 9 है. ओके. If an opening combination is a particular sequence of 3 digits, विथ नो रिपीट्स, इसका जो ओपनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन होगा, द ओपनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन मतलब जिससे ये खुलेगा, ओके, जिससे ये खुलेगा वो क्या है, पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस ऑफ 3 डिजिट्स विथ नो रिपीट्स, मतलब 999 रिपीट ही नहीं हो सकता, तीनों अलग अलग नंबर्स होंगे. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पर्सन गेसिंग द राइट कॉम्बिनेशन? क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है दैट अ पर्सन राइट कॉम्बिनेशन गेस कर सकता है? तो ये कैसे करे? ओके, सो क्लास हाउ टू डू इट? तो वो प्रैक्टिकली सोचो तुम, हाँ वो क्या करेगा? ऐसे करके एक नंबर यहां डालेगा, एक नंबर यहां पे डालेगा, एक नंबर यहां पे डालेगा, फिर देखिएगा खुल रहा है कि नहीं खुल रहा है, ऐसे करते करते कंटिन्यूसली करेगा. ओके, तो वो कितने बार कर सकता है? तीन. वी हैव 3 numbers, 3 digits number. This 3 digit number, how many possibilities of getting a 3 digit number? That is called sample space. 3 digit number कितने सारे हो सकते हैं? तो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन परम्यूटेशन ऑल टुगेदर. उसको मैं प्रोबेबिलिटी क्वेश्चन बना के हम कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे 1 to 9 में एक डिजिट होगा, यहाँ पे 1 to 9 में एक डिजिट होगा, यहाँ पे 1 to 9 में एक डिजिट होगा. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि रिपीटेशन अलाउड नहीं है, सेम डिजिट्स नहीं होंगे. Okay, so we need to check out how many possibilities are there of getting a 3-digit number with different digits. That is a number of sample space. What is sample space? Total 3-digit number using 1 to 9 without repetition. 3-digit number बनाना है using 1 to 9 without repetition. That means we have for first position we have 9 options. 1 to 9 में कोई भी नंबर यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो. Into for the second position we have only 8 options because the number which is substituted here, that number we cannot substitute here. Into 7. So this is the total number of sample space. 9 into 8 into 7, that is 504. Clear class? Let me see once whether it's getting 504 or not. हम तो आंसर देके बात कर रहे हैं. 9 into 8 into 7. हाँ, 504. Okay. I hope you understand this thing. What is this? This is the total number of 3-digit combinations we can make where there are no repetition of digits. Okay. Out of this 504 numbers, 3-digit numbers, सिर्फ एक ही नंबर तो होगा ना जो कि लॉक को खोल सकेगा. So see the question. What the question saying? What the question saying? What is the probability of a person guessing the right combination? So E is the event the person gets the right combination. Right का spelling देखना होगा. Right combination. So probability will be what? There is only one right number of favorable events. हम कैसे करते हैं probability? Number of favorable events by number of sample space. So out of this 504 combinations, there is only one combination which is correct. उससे ज्यादा तो होगा नहीं, सिर्फ एक ही कॉम्बिनेशन बोलेगा. And total is 504. हो गया, job is done. Okay. Similarly, we can go for 24 also, but all things are your job class. Okay, let's go for the different type of sum. Okay, now the same page number, question number 15. These are questions you have solved in class 10 also, most probably, but I remember. What is the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays? एक लीप ईयर में 53 संडेज होगा. तो इसके बारे में पहले थोड़ा बात करते हैं. नॉर्मल ईयर, लीप ईयर छोड़ो, नॉर्मल ईयर में हाउ मेनी डेज आर देयर? 365 डेज. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट्स द जॉब इज, जितने वीक्स होंगे, वीक स्टार्ट फ्रॉम संडे टू सैटरडे, और बेटर वी कैन से मंडे टू संडे. ये होता है वीक का स्टार्टिंग. वीक में 7 डेज होते हैं. एक एक वीक में एक एक संडे होगा. सो वी नीड टू चेक आउट हाउ मेनी वीक्स आर अवेलेबल. सो नंबर ऑफ वीक्स कितने होंगे? 365 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. वहां से नंबर ऑफ वीक्स पता चल जाएगा. सो लेट्स सी, 365 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. सो दे आर 52 वीक्स. ओके, बट एग्जैक्टली सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है. सो क्या करेंगे हम, थोड़ा एग्जैक्टली सॉल्व करेंगे. 7 5 जा 35, 1 5, 7 2 जा 40. एक दिन बच जाता है बेटा. ओके, नाउ सी, there are total 52 weeks available. So number of weeks is 52 weeks and 1 day available. 1 day available in a normal year. Okay. But if I talk about a leap year has 366 days. That means how many weeks we will have? Number of weeks will be 52 weeks and 2 days. यहाँ पे 1 day था, वहां पे एक बढ़ गया, तो 2 days available. Okay. Now, what the question saying? The question saying, what is probably that an ordinary year has, a leap year has 53 Sundays. उसमें 53 Sundays होना चाहिए. इसका क्या चांसेस है? तो अब एक लीप ईयर में 52 Sundays तो होंगे. It's so confirm है, because there are 52 weeks, we will have 52 Sundays, so we don't need to worry about this. Clear? 53 Sundays, we need to find the problem. 53 Sundays, हाँ, first Sunday कब आया, second Sunday कब आया, वो सब कुछ नहीं सोचना. क्यों नहीं सोचना? Because if there is a leap year, if there are normal year, there are 52 weeks, that means there are 52 Sundays, that is confirmed. What we need to bother about is that one extra Sunday, because we need 53 Sundays. Clear? So there are 52 Sundays. Why? Because there are 52 weeks. Done. So these things, how we write that in a leap year there are 52 weeks and 2 days. Now 52 weeks gives 52 Sundays. Okay, so we need one Sunday. Now we need to find the probability of that one Sunday. ठीक है, हमको 53 Sundays का probability नहीं चाहिए, हमको सिर्फ एक Sunday का probability चाहिए, एक्स्ट्रा वन Sunday आना चाहिए. Done. So ये जो 2 days आया, those 2 days must fall on a Sunday. Then only we can have 53 Sundays. This you understand? Now, to have 53 Sundays, extra 2 days must fall out of extra 2 days. 1 day must be Sunday. What's the line? 1 day must be Sunday. Okay, now see, this, do you understand the language? To have 53 Sundays, we have 52 Sundays, that is confirmed. To get the 53rd Sunday, those 2 extra days which we have, उनमें से कोई एक दिन Sunday होना चाहिए. ठीक है? अब वो कैसे होगा? So the week starts from Sunday, Monday. Okay, let's start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. अब वो जो 2 दिन है वो साइमल्टेनियसली गिरेगा. या तो ये 2 दिन गिरेगा, 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 और या तो ये 2 दिन गिरेगा. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? तो या तो 2 days एक्स्ट्रा है, either it will go for Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday, or Sunday, Monday. These are the possibilities. Yes or no, class? Do you understand this? Okay, so sample space. Total ways the 2 extra day can fall in a week. Okay, कितने हो सकते हैं बताओ? सैंपल स्पेस की फॉर्म पहले बनाते हैं, ठीक है ना? एस टोटल डेज, द 2 एक्स्ट्रा डेज कैन फॉल ऑन अ वीक. क्या क्या बन सकता है? मंडे, ट्यूसडे, ठीक है, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे 2, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे 3, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे 4, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे 5, सैटरडे, संडे 6 Sunday Monday 7. That means there are total 7 days in which उसको अगर लिखना है तो we can write like this: Monday Tuesday, ठीक है ना, Tuesday Wednesday, then Wednesday Thursday, then Thursday Friday, then Friday Saturday, then Saturday Sunday, clear, then Sunday and Monday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the 7 possibilities in which way those 2 extra days can fall. Okay. Now event 2 extra days have a Sunday. उन एक्स्ट्रा डे में से एक संडे हो, ये कब कब हो सकता है बताओ? ये रहा सैटरडे संडे, संडे मंडे, बस, और कोई दिन संडे नहीं हो सकता. दैट मीन्स देयर इज हाउ मेनी वेज? 2 ways are there. And what is probability of E? 2 by 7. So this is the answer. So this is the probability of, actually this is the probability of getting a Sunday in those 2 days extra. But उसको क्वेश्चन में उल्टा कैसे पूछ सकता है? पूछा जाता है to get a 53 Sunday, because indirectly वो 53 Sunday ही होगा. But actually we are not finding the probability of 53 Sunday. We are finding the probability of getting Sundays in those 2 extra days. This you need to understand. Clear class? Okay. That's all for this video class. Thank you very much. In the next video we will continue with further more questions.